How to sign in to your Suno AI account. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can sign in to your Suno AI account. For that, you will need to ensure that you have already created an account on Suno AI. Once you have done that, open the application on your mobile device, and in this home page, here you'll be able to locate sign in option at the very bottom. As we have already created an account, simply tap on the sign in option at the bottom. Once check that, now you'll be presented with several options in order to log into your account. Here you may choose your Google account, Microsoft account and Discord account. Also, if you want to use the phone number instead, you can tap on this use my phone number option, and then here you will need to enter your phone number along with your country code. Once after entering your phone number, tap on this confirm button right here, and then a verification code will be sent to your mobile number. You will need to tap on it and enter the code. Once you have entered the code, tap on this confirm button right here, and then you will see you have been successfully logged into your account. Now you can explore the features of Suno AI. So this is how you can log in or sign in to your Suno AI account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.